highlight a lot.
I think it's really cool.
It's very fun.
It's easy to learn it because I actually never played this before. I like the graphics of it too because they're not overwhelming.
It's not like it's a big bulky machine you got to move around either. I think it's phenomenal.
The fact that you can do more than just play pinball is just awesome.
Definitely the most innovative way to play pinball that I've seen.
I think it's great.
Yeah.
So this is Josefina, and she got a high score.
That's right. Nobody can beat me.
She's professional. And so what do you like about the Ninja Turtles pinball machine?
Sound very real, and I like the sensors that make the balls like notch.
All right, so you like the surround sound, makes the ball feel realistic rolling around?
I do.
And then,
And actually, I love the Ninja Turtle theme that you got going on here. I like that too.
so you like the theme and you like the sensors that like when you nudge, the ball bounces around?
Yeah. And it's easy to learn it because I actually never played this before, so my first time look at my sport. That I like.
Yeah, good job.
What I like about this game is the feel of it with the haptic feedback. You really don't need to have the nudge buttons on the side. You could always just hit it.
Oh, accelerometer only?
Yeah.
Oh, so they have this mapped out for flipper and flipper so you don't accidentally hit it for tilting out?
Exactly. And then another recommendation would be the side mirrors on the inside where you put.
Oh, so right here, to have you store that like the side mirrors?
It adds like some extra depth to it, and then it kind of makes it feel like there's a little bit brighter feel to the game. And along with that would be some anti-glare glass.
Oh, because the anti-glare glass will prevent those lights shining on here.
Yeah, other than that, it's a really good cabinet. It doesn't really need much.
How do you like the gameplay?
Gameplay's smooth. It's very fun. It's fast, and I like that you can change between over 180 different games on this thing.
Yeah, you can download more games in the App Store. And then, how do you like the art?
This is by far my favorite art package, and I would say our team agrees on that. We were talking about that earlier.
Oh, out of all the machines, this is the best?
This one is we like the color scheme with the green and the purple. It looks really good.
Yeah, cool. Thank you so much. And your name is Joe?
Yep.
All right, thank you, Joe.
Absolutely.
Check out the link in the video description below for more Legends products. So this is Maxwell right here.
What I like about it is like it feels like a pinball machine, even though it's like a virtual one with like the feelings on the sides and stuff. And the fact that like not just Ninja Turtles, but you can change out for different maps, so like you can continuously change it. I think it's really cool.
You like the ability to buy more tables and like it gives you a higher replay value.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then also, what features do you like the best about it?
I honestly just like how much it feels like a physical machine when it's virtual.
Yeah, that's an SSF kit. That's an upgraded kit inside, and it makes the ball feel more realistic and rolling around. It's actually speakers mounted to the side of the cabinet, and there's a subwoofer too on the bottom.
Yeah, that's really cool. I really like that.
I like the graphics of it too because they're not overwhelming at all. Because sometimes with the graphics it can be really bothersome and you can't see it, but like even the glare is not uncontrollable. Like it's not that bad. So.
I like the it's different for the old game. I mean, everything is what is it? D-Hero? What is it?
It's virtual. It's a virtual pinball machine. You feel the ball rolling around?
I do feel the ball rolling around. You can feel the ball rolling around like if it's the real pinball machine.
That's an upgrade. It's called the SSF kit. It's a surround sound kit that simulates the ball rolling around.
Yeah, you can feel it. You can feel when you hit it too.
Yeah,
when you hit it,
and it also has accelerometer, so if you bump into it, the ball will bounce.
I think it's pretty cool. It's really responsive. It feels pretty fluid. I like that there's the nudge buttons, but also the accelerometer, so you can actually like nudge the machine. I haven't played a lot of VPin, but this feels like a really good entry point for people that are interested. And you were telling me that you can also play classics like Pac-Man and Steam Game and put computers in here. It seems like a really good machine for home use to get into the space. The only thing about this game is those flippers. In the beginning, I couldn't tell which ones were the top field and the bottom field, but that's really the only thing that.
Oh, so you got confused with the flipper buttons?
I got the lower play field and the upper play field.
Oh, the basement.
Yep, that was it. That's
so.
Really
What do you recommend? Like having some more.
I don't know, maybe more of a shadow just to give it a little bit more depth, like around the flippers, because they're about the same display as
so a little bit of shadowing, like on the flipper.
So maybe it looks more because like like a haunted house or a black hole, like that's quite dark and deep down there, and you really see that depth.
Darken it up a little bit.
Yeah, maybe not the whole area down here, just around the flippers, so that they are distinct between the two colors.
Gotcha. And yeah, so you can connect the PC to it. You hit the channel button, and then it switches to external mode where you can connect 3 HDMI connections to it in the back.
Yeah, this thing's cool.
And it has an app store, so you can download more tables. You put your credit card, and your credit card is saved securely using a system called Stripe, and you can purchase on-device tables.
That's nice. So you don't have to worry about going through an external app as well.
Yeah, everything is done on the machine. Just like, PlayStation or Xbox, you can buy the games on, those consoles. You can buy the tables on Legends Pinball Machine.
Okay. Yeah, I like it. I think it's interesting.
What do you like more, using the nudge button or the accelerometer?
The accelerometer. I play a lot of pinball, so that's what I'm used to. I was trying to use the buttons, but I kept finding myself shaking the table, so I haven't gotten any dangers, which is surprising because I tilted every Stern pinball over there this weekend.
And then with the SSF kit, does the ball feel like more realistic rolling around?
The ball does feel pretty accurate, actually. That's usually my one complaint about V-pins, is it feels like it's a little delayed or laggy, but this, I picked it up pretty quick. It feels reliable and pretty consistent. We work with a distributor out of Pittsburgh, yeah.
So how do you compare this to a real pinball machine? Obviously it's smaller.
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller. It's definitely a little more simplistic by means of the design of this game. But it feels good. I think if you like playing pinball on location and you just don't have the funds to have one in your own house, this is definitely a good option.
Yeah, and then you can have over 200 tables on one machine.
Yep. And it's lightweight. It's not like it's a big bulky machine you got to move around either. So
yep.
I'm surprised. I do like it actually.
I think it's phenomenal. I think this is definitely something for someone to kind of introduce themselves to pinball. Probably, I think one of the greatest things about it is probably the actual being able to nudge, the accelerometer in it. The surround sound is also really great too.
You like the feeling? Does it feel like the ball is rolling around in there?
I definitely feel it, yeah, for sure. The sound on the sides, I think that surround sound upgrade, I think that really makes a difference for sure.
You feel it in your hand?
Oh, I definitely feel it in my hand. And it's like,
there's real solenoids in there too. You feel that?
Oh wow, yeah. I don't know if I got to actually feel that, but I caught myself actually nudging the machine and seeing the ball actually react to me nudging it.
Oh, the accelerometer you like?
Yes.
Do you like the nudge buttons?
So, not so much. I would much rather just be able to use the accelerometer than the buttons.
So you want either or, the ability to turn off the nudge buttons and have only the accelerometer?
Oh yeah. If I could turn off the nudge buttons and just accelerometer, it would make it a 10 out of 10.
Oh, did you accidentally tilt out?
Oh yeah. First ball, as soon as I walked up, I hit both buttons, tilted out immediately, and I didn't even know what had happened.
Oh, because you're nudging physically and you're hitting buttons.
Yes, both for sure.
Yeah, oh, okay, I understand. And so you also have the ability to connect the PC, so you have unlimited games and tables you can install on here.
Wow.
Yeah, so if you have a good gaming PC, you connect it in the back, and you can, just hit the channel button right here, and you can switch it to PC mode.
Oh, sweet.
And they have an upgraded arcade control deck with a joystick, 6 buttons, and a trackball.
Oh, this is interchangeable. You can actually
you can swap it out.
Nice.
So thank you for your interview, Jordan.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Like it, like I was telling you, I believe this for OGs, play with the buttons is easier, but for the new gen, just knocking it, I think it's pretty solid, and I actually like it. I like it a lot. Feels real, actually I feel the sensation on my right side.
You feel the ball rolling around?
And yeah, and then everything, it's awesome.
It's like a PlayStation for virtual pinball.
That's what I'm saying.
It has online when you upload your score. You upload the score online. It goes global.
The fact that you can do more than just play pinball is just awesome. I like that a lot.
Yeah, and it also has a community. So if you join the tournaments, you can win prizes.
Oh wow! It's like a Discord community.
Yeah, it has a good community.
I like that. This is awesome, man. This is really awesome.
You can feel the ball moving. Yeah, it's just a fun way to play pinball.
Yeah, I love how it's just the tilt. It's very the screen is nice. Well, it's a 4K. I love the artwork.
And this one has the upgraded surround sound kit.
Yeah.
So you could feel the ball rolling around. Do you feel the ball rolling around?
Yeah. Is it a 7.1? Is it a 5.1?
Oh no, it has, yeah. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers, 5, 6, and then also there's a subwoofer.
Yeah. Nice. So it has a surround sound feedback.
Yep, exactly. All right, thanks for playing. Thanks for trying it out.
Yeah, anytime.